Welcome to another episode of Simple Vegan Recipes. And I'm going to do a curry purple cabbage with sesame seeds. I have 2 cups of the purple cabbage, 1 tablespoon of Jamaican curry, 1 tablespoon of the sesame seeds, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, and I'm going to use a teaspoon of liquid Braxamino and 1 tablespoon of the extra virgin oil. So I'm going to let the pan heat up for a while. I'm going to add the extra virgin oil, the 1 tablespoon, and the 1 teaspoon of liquid Braxamino in there. Okay, so I have added in the pot the olive oil and the liquid Braxamino. It's really hot. I'm going to add the curry in there, the sesame seed, and the garlic powder. So let's do that. Another shout out to the Joseph family for this incredible purple organic cabbage. I added a little bit more water in there so that the flavors could get into the cabbage. And if you're not a spicy person and you don't like too much curry or too much spice, instead of putting 1 tablespoon of the Jamaican curry or whatever curry you prefer, you can put half a teaspoon of the curry in there, okay? Okay, we're all done with the recipe and it looks good. It tastes really good. It is spicy. I love spicy and I hope you guys do too. As I always do, encourage you guys to give those simple vegan recipes a try and subscribe to this channel for more simple vegan recipes. And I'll see you next time on Simple Vegan Recipes. Bye for now.